Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You have everything ready. Melbet credentials and the Google Authenticator app. Now sign into Melbet and go straight to Account or Security Settings, choose Two-Factor Authentication and select the Authenticator option. Once done, Melbet will show a QR code or a manual secret key. Don't close this page. Make sure your phone is nearby and unlocked, because the next step is to add that account into the app, which ties the codes to your Melbet profile. You're now in the app, tap the plus sign and pick Scan a QR code or choose Enter a setup key if scanning fails. Give the entry a clear name like Melbet so you recognize it later. The app instantly begins producing 6-digit, time-based codes. These change every 30 seconds. Next, type the current code back into Melbet where it asks for verification. This step proves ownership and completes the secure pairing between your phone and your Melbet account. Finish by saving Melbet's recovery codes somewhere safe. Write them down off the phone. This is the only way back if you lose access. Then log out and sign in again, using the Authenticator's current 6-digit code to confirm the flow works. Make sure you understand why. The app gives time-based codes that prove you have the device. If something goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Check your phone's clock and enable automatic time sync, because incorrect time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.